Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. We've recently canned, or should I say dry canned, potatoes. And I've had a lot of people asking how to use them. What do you do with them? Why do you dry can? I've even had a lot of comments, why do you even bother to can potatoes? Well, I'll tell you why. I am a super busy person and I don't have time a lot of times to sit and peel potatoes, cook potatoes, like to make mashed potatoes. Okay? My potatoes, these are the dry can. You can also do this with the traditionally canned, but we prefer the flavor of the dry. I'll link the video to both ways to can potatoes in the description box. But I'm taking 2 quarts of my dry canned potatoes, putting the potatoes in my pot. I had the pot already turned on, preheating. Okay, mind you, the potatoes are already done. Okay, I'm going to put about a half a stick of butter or margarine, whatever you prefer. I'm going to pour about a quarter to a half cup of evaporated milk. I have salt. Use salt to taste and pepper to taste. Folks, this is one of those recipes. It all depends on how you like your seasoning. Okay. So, the way we like our potatoes is we like them thick and chunky. So I'm just taking an old-fashioned potato masher, and I'm just going to sit here and mash these potatoes until they get to the consistency that we like. Sometimes it may take 3 or 4 minutes. Like I say, it depends on how you like it. Now you could easily use a hand mixer and mix these up. That way you get them nice and smooth. If you like smooth potatoes, make them that way. I'm just making mine the way our family likes them. So, I'm going to keep mashing, and I'll show you what they look like in a minute. Okay, guys, this is how we like our potatoes. Told you, they're chunky. But we like this consistency and that texture. I'll get a sample here to see if it needs some more seasonings. A little bit more pepper. But like I say, seasoning is to your taste, not mine. Your kitchen, your taste. But literally, all I did was mash this up while they were heating up. It took 5 minutes, and I have homemade mashed potatoes on the table. Can't get much easier than that. But like I say, I will link the videos in the description. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your potatoes, and we'll see you on the next video.